At Skart Global Express, we believe in empowering our customers with smart, secure, and seamless experiences. And to enhance our customers' experience, we have recently introduced a new feature which is My Profile in our Skart Edge Portal. This portal is your one-stop destination to personalize your courier experience. So let's take a look at how you can take control of your account like never before. Let's log into Skart Portal first. On the left corner, you can see there is a control panel. If you click on this, you will see My Profile option here. You can check out your primary contact details and your registered address. You can also add your secondary phone number and email ID as well, and you can also add any other communication address as well. So with My Profile, you can now add multiple email IDs to receive tailored alerts from Skart. Now you can choose who gets what with customizable alert groups. So Skart has divided its alerts into different categories, which are operational alerts. This will include all shipment updates at real time. And there are also other groups, which are customer service alerts, which will inform you about your shipment status. And there is another group called finance and/or email alerts. From this, you will get all your invoices, wallet updates, and there is informative or promotional alert group, from which you will get the offers regarding any special rates, and there is also authentication alerts, from which you will get your login activities details. So you can now assign different email IDs to different alert groups, whether it is your accounts, team, operations, or your own inbox. You are in total control. You can decide what alerts need to be sent on which email ID. So you have to fill the email IDs accordingly, then you have to update your account. Once you click on update, you will receive an OTP on your registered phone number. So you have to fill the OTP to make the changes in your account. In addition to this, we have also another interesting feature in My Profile section, which is two-factor authentication. Now you can enable two-factor authentication, and this will secure your account completely. Now once you enable two-factor authentication, on every login, you will receive a unique OTP on your registered email ID, ensuring only you can access your account. So let me show you how you can on two-factor authentication. So on the left corner, you can see two-factor authentication button is there. You have to enable this and you will have to click on update. Again, you will receive an OTP on your registered phone number. And once you fill the OTP, your two-factor authentication on your account will be activated. Now, on every login, you will receive an OTP so that your account will be completely safe. So let me show you how it works. So I have activated my two-factor authentication. Now, if I log out and will try to log in again to my account, 401, it will ask me for the OTP. And OTP will go to my registered phone number and only filling the OTP. Only after that I can log into my account. So this will help you to stay secure and stay ahead with My Profile on Skart Edge.